Hello, welcome to Chapter 7, Part 2, Bootstrap Image Gallery, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn how to build a Bootstrap image gallery. And now let us recall in the previous session, we learned a set of Bootstrap image classes, and they are image responsive, image circle, image thumbnail, and image rounded. And also we learned the other set of Bootstrap image classes, and they are pull left, pull right, and center block, which are used to position an image. Okay, right now what we are going to learn is we are going to make use of all the image classes what we learned till now, and we are going to build a beautiful image gallery. Okay, then this is the demo, and this is what the gallery what we are going to build right now. Okay, this is what the gallery what we are going to build, and without wasting much time, let me jump into Visual Studio and let me start coding. Okay, this is an empty web project. We can observe here I'm having a Bootstrap reference, and also I'm having a couple of images present in the image folder, and with the help of these images I'm going to build a beautiful image gallery like this. Okay, now let me jump back to the presentation. You can observe it is having a heading called image gallery. Let me add that first. Okay, and to do that, what I'll do is I'll take a div. The outermost div should have a class called container, and the innermost div should have a class called a row as per the rules if I'm using a Bootstrap grid system. And coming to the first one, the heading, this heading, okay, image gallery, it's acquiring the entire width of the page. So what I'll do is I'll take a div and I'll name a class called call large 12. Okay, here let me write h1 heading telling like image gallery, Control S. And now let me stop my application and let me run this page. Let me see how it looks. Okay, since it's pushing the page to the browser, you can observe it looks like a image gallery. Okay, and now let me jump back to my code and let me add a image. Okay, first image, and let me make it a image gallery later. Div, and let me take class call large. Okay, you can observe here in the slide presentation, okay, the first row is having 4 images. In the sense, the Bootstrap grid system is going to provide us 12 columns, and I'm going to divide that 12 columns into 4 parts. Each column, each part is having 3 columns in it. In the sense, I want to display 4 images in a row, so I want to divide the Bootstrap grid system 12 columns into 4 parts. So in the sense, I have to take here call large 3. Okay, 3 4s are 12 in the 4 parts. And let me add a image here, and let me make the image itself as hyperlink such that it will be easy to navigate. Images, the first image I'm going to add is this css.jpg, and let me add a description of that image telling like css, and let me add a image tag. Sorry, it's a image tag. The image tag is something like image folder, then navigating to css image. Okay, now I have to do other thing to this thing. Let me add a class called thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. And now let me rush back to my browser and let me refresh the page. Let me see how it looks. Okay, this is what the first image what we have added. Now let me build. Okay, I've achieved only a part of the task what it is assigned here. Okay, this is the first thing I've built it. Now let me do all these things and let me make it a beautiful image gallery. How to do that? What I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this part of code. Okay, Control C. The first row, I want 4 columns. Okay, each having three columns in it. Each column spanning 3 columns in it. 1 2 3 and 4. And now let me change the images here right now. Images slash css, or the second one is css3. Okay, let me change here also. Slash css3. Okay, and coming to the next one, slash html slash html. Okay, html. And coming to the second one, images slash html5. and let me, okay, sorry for that, and let me change here also, that is HTML5, and let me rename here itself HTML5. Okay, now let me do Control S and let me rush back to my browser and let me press F5. You can observe here, okay, what's happening here. In the first row we have 4 images. Okay, in the sense I'm making use of the Bootstrap grid system and I'm dividing that grid system into 3 columns each. In the sense we have 4 columns and each column spanning 3 columns in it. Okay, and that's what we achieved. But you can observe here, this much of space we are wasting here. Okay, let me stretch this images to the complete width of this page. How do I do that? And that's what we have to use a class called container. If I use a class called container, it leaves like left and right 15 pixel. Okay, but let me add another class which is container fluid. What it is? Container fluid, what it does is it stretches completely to the width of the page. You can observe here it's stretching completely and this looks good. Okay, and my next objective is I want to create another row and I want to add 4 images, and let me do that. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll copy this entire 4 columns and I'll paste it just to avoid the time waste. Okay, and let me change the images here. The second row will be having the other images, like we added HTML5. Now it's time to add JavaScript. And let me change here also /JavaScript. Okay, and after JavaScript what we have something called JQuery. JQuery is awesome. And let me change here also the path /JQuery. Okay, and after the JQuery, Selenium, and let me change Selenium. And coming to the last one, I'm finishing this Bootstrap image gallery. I hope all of you understood this. It's very easy, not that tough. /Xamarin. Okay, let me change here also the name Xamarin. Okay, now Control S and let me go back to my page and let me refresh. Okay, this is how the page looks. You can observe here. Okay, this is what the page, the gallery what we wanted. Okay, you can observe here this exact gallery what I've built here. Okay, but my next objective is, okay, this is large screen. Okay, but when I reduce this screen to medium, okay, on the medium it should display, this is the medium screen size. You can observe here on the medium screen it should display only 3 images in a row. Currently we have 4 images in a row, but when I reduce it to medium screen I want the 3 images in a row. How do I do that? And again, when I reduce it to small screen I should have 2 images. Okay, and as usual when I come to medium extra small screen there should be only 1 image. Now how to achieve, like when it is on medium screen I want only 3 images in a row. How to achieve that? It's very simple. Coming back to my code, what I have to do is I want to add another Bootstrap class, that is call medium, okay, 4. In the sense I want 3 images dividing 12 columns which is provided by the grid system into 3 parts, like 4 4 4. Okay, sum of 4 is 12, and let me copy this call mid 4 and let me post to all the classes. Okay, now let me go and refresh this page and let us see how it looks. Okay, let me press F5. Okay, now when this is in the large screen, now when I minimize it to medium screen you can observe, okay, in the row we have only 3 images. Okay, how did I achieve it? I achieved it by adding a Bootstrap grid class called call mid 3. Okay, now as soon as it's in the medium screen, now when I reduce it to still small screen, Okay, currently I'm getting only one image, but my intention is I want two images in a row. How do I achieve it? It's very simple. Coming back to my code, I want to add another class telling like call small, I want 6, in the sense 12 it's divided into two parts, 6 and 6. So I'll add this class also. Let me paste it. I want to paste all the where I've added the image. Fine. Okay, I'm done with that. Fine. Now let me rush back to my browser and let me press F5. Okay, here you can observe on the last screen we have 4 images in a row, and coming to the medium screen I'm having 3 images, and you can observe the change now. When I reduce it to the small screen, I'll be having 2 images in a row, and that's what we wanted and we achieved it. Coming to extra small screen, a single image will be rendered on a single row. Okay, that's what our objective, and what we learned is we learned how to build a beautiful image gallery like this, and also we learned the advantage of using the Bootstrap grid classes very clearly in this example or in this session. Okay, and finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training, and also you can like our pages. You are visiting these URLs like Facebook pages, and we're also on Twitter. You can follow us for further information, and for further information you can refer our websites Ankpro and Ankpro Training, and we are on LinkedIn too. And last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.